In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share images to social media from OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your creations, how to set the right visibility, and the quickest ways to post them across your favorite platforms. Start on the OpenArt homepage. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. That's where you'll find everything you need for organizing and sharing. Look for the section labeled Assets. This is your library. Your edit history and saved generations live here, so it's the perfect place to choose what you want to show the world. Open Assets and pick the image you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the version you like best. If you've created multiple iterations, this is a good time to compare thumbnails and pick the one that best represents your style or fits the story you want to tell on social media. With your image open, click Share. This brings up the sharing controls. You'll see a drop-down that lets you choose how much information to include with your post. Click the drop-down to reveal your permission options. You can share with generation details, which typically includes things like prompts or settings and is great for transparency and community learning. You can share the image only, which gives you a clean, distraction-free presentation. Or you can set sharing to off, which keeps the image private and unshareable if you decide you're not ready to publish it. Pick the option that matches your goals and your comfort level with revealing creative details. Once your permissions are set, click Copy Link. This generates a shareable link that respects the visibility you just chose. You can paste this link into any social media platform, a direct message, or even an email. The link is a simple, universal way to share, and it keeps your image connected back to your OpenArt library. If you prefer a faster route, you can use the direct share buttons. Choose a platform such as X, Reddit, or Pinterest right from the sharing panel. This opens the platform's post composer with your content ready to go, so all you need to do is add a caption, relevant hashtags, and publish. Make sure you're signed in on that platform so the share completes smoothly, and give the preview a quick look to ensure it appears exactly the way you expect. That's it. Find your image and assets, set the right permissions, then share via a copied link or publish directly to your chosen social network. Happy sharing!